When it comes to ensuring your safety on the road, preparation is key. This powerful car window breaker and seatbelt cutter provides essential peace of mind for you and your family, offering a reliable solution in case of car entrapment or emergency situations. Whether you're facing a rollover, electrical system failure, car fire, flooding, or a sinking car, this tool can help you escape quickly and safely. The window breaker is designed with a spring-loaded window punch and a tungsten steel head. With just a small amount of power, it transforms into a powerful impact force that can shatter your car's side window in under 1 second, even if the glass is up to 10 mm thick. This quick action is invaluable in emergency situations, particularly during underwater escapes, as it allows you to break free without being hindered by water pressure. Best of all, this tool is reusable, ensuring you're prepared for multiple emergencies. The seatbelt cutter is just as efficient. Simply pull the ring to remove the protective cover and align the U-shaped cutter with the seatbelt. With a swift push, the razor-sharp stainless steel blade easily slices through a jammed seatbelt, helping you escape in seconds. The intuitive design ensures you can act quickly in stressful situations. This compact, lightweight tool weighs just 1.5 ounces and measures approximately 3.15 x 0.98 inches, making it easy to carry and store. Its keychain design allows you to hang it on your car keychain or bag, so it's always within reach. The bright, easily identifiable colors make it simple to spot in an emergency, ensuring you won't waste valuable time searching for it. Each pack comes with 3 colorful car glass breaker keychains, ensuring you have one for every vehicle in your household. It's important to note that the tool is designed for breaking tempered side glass, not laminated glass like windshields or skylights, which are much harder to break. For safety, it's recommended that everyone keep one of these tools in their car. Many customers have shared their positive experiences, noting that while they hope to never use the tool, its design and practicality provide the reassurance they need. Don't wait until it's too late. Be proactive about your safety on the road. Click the link in the video description to purchase your car emergency tool today, and subscribe to our channel for more products that keep you safe and prepared in any situation.